student organizations play a big role in helping students develop their leadership skills, confidence, and teamwork.
However, when this group lacks support or active participation, students lose chances to grow as young leaders.
Maintaining student organization and promoting youth leadership is important because it helps students become more responsible, motivated, and prepared for future challenges both in school and in life.
Magandang umaga ma'am, maaari ba kitang may ka sa aming pag-aaral tungkol sa student organizations and youth leadership?
Yes.
So, para sa aming unang katanungan, are you satisfied with how your leaders manage activities? If not, why?
So about the way ang leaders nga mo implement ang activities, di po ta kayo na satisfied jo before kanang nag-satisfied kanang medyo kanang center di ka kay na di time na di ka ma-satisfied kay wala si Jani abot sa kanang wala satisfaction kita nimo as a student po naa na isa ka organization ano ipod ko kayo na satisfied ko pero at the same time medyo na ko na.
So, pangalawang katanungan, what problems do you encounter when participating in school organizations?
Yun, so di po siya maingon na big problem pero kasi kanang first is kanang maingon sila ingana nga first is time management good mo na isa sa organization nga maingon na ito nga problema it is because kanang makalimtan dito na to ang kanang time bitaw like mag-set ang nga time pero dili ko nga time magsugod so na makakonsume po siya o kanang mga personal time po sa members.
So, pangatlo, do you think being part of student organizations affects students' time for their studies?
Being part of student organization kanang dili din siya di siya mo maingon nga makakuan siya sa time sa student sa ilang studies kay kanang kuan man po na si David it depends mo good of how kamo kanang how you manage your time nga di ka kay if di po ka kay bagi mo manage sa imong time malamang makakonsume po na imong time for studies pero if you know how to manage it kuan man po siya kanang wala na po siya factor di ka mo makakuan po sa imong kabus.
So, yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Salamat dahil at panayam ka namin sa aming pag-aaral tungkol sa student organizations and youth leadership.
So here's the first question. Are you satisfied with how your leaders manage activities? If not, why?
As of now, I am very satisfied with how the president handled our organization, especially the Society of English Enthusiasts. As we all know, there are no perfect leaders handling any organization. So, as why I say so, he handled the organization very well. So he make the officers function well. So that's why I am very satisfied in how the president handled our organization.
So what problems do you encounter when participating in school organization?
One of the most problem participating in any school organization is the time management. As we all know, we are a student, so it's very important that we sacrifice our vacant time in order to sacrifice to our org activities, especially if there are activities. For example, you have a committee, especially if you are head, so it's very important to initiate on sacrificing your time to make your committee successful and to make it complete.
Do you think being part of student organization affects students' time for their studies?
Yes, I believe that it affects the time management of students because you are juggling your studies and handling your organization.
Questions number 1. What challenges do you experience in leading your organization?
Masasabi ko na hindi talaga madali ang maging isang pangulo. Madaming pagsubok, lalo na ang pinaka-challenges na nakaharap ko ay ang pagpapasunod pagpapasunod sa samahan. Sapagkat nung ako ay naging pangulo, ako ay isang sophomore pa lamang. Kung gayon, para sa akin, mahirap pasunurin ang nasa junior at senior level ng ating samahan. Kung sa maturity pa, mas matured pa sila sa akin. Kung kaya sa tingin ko, ang isa sa mga pinakamahirap na aking nasagupa bilang pangulo ay ang pagpapasunod, pati na rin ang time management.
Number 2, do you feel that the school provides enough support and guidance for student leaders? If not, why?
Yes, pero hindi ko masasabi na talagang enough. Pero halimbawa sa activity na buwan ng wika, hindi rin magagawa ng Samafil kung hindi dahil sa tulong ng eskwelahan o ng mga head katulad ng CSO at SAS. Bago ipatupad ang isang aktibidad, nagpapasa tayo ng mga papel or mga activity design patungkol sa ating activity. Bago ito, may isang katuparan, dine-check nila isa-isa kung ano ang pwede nilang may tulong. Katulad na lang sa pag-set up sa gym, pagpapahiram ng mga kagamitan, mga kakailanganin sa isang organisasyon para sa ating aktibidad. Pero masasabi ko rin na hindi enough sapagkat katulad na lamang sa financial, ang ginagamit kasi natin sa pagpapatupad ng aktibidad ay ang mismong pera o salapi na galing sa ating samahan. Kung gayon, masasabi ko na hindi enough pero nandoon pa rin ang support at tulong ng ating paaralan. Isa na rin doon pati ang tulong ng ating gurong tagahan.
What skill do you want to improve as a leader?
As a leader, sa tingin ko, pinakauna ay ang time management. Aminado ako na hindi ako magaling sa pag-manage ng time, lalo na kung ang aktibidad ay nagtaon sa ating exam. Kung gayon, mas parang yung attention ko nakafocus na lamang sa org. Minsan napapabayaan ng ads, pero mahirap talagang maglaan ng oras sapagkat iisipin mo kung paano mo masasaayos ang aktibidad ng samahan kung gusto mo bilang pangulo kasi gusto mo maging magandang outcome ng isang aktibidad. Kaya parang mahirap itimbang kung saan ka dapat, kung ano yung dapat mo unahin. Pati na rin siguro yung pagkakaroon ng enough pagkakaroon ng enough na kakayahan para mapasunod mo yung samahan kung paano kanila igagalang bilang isang pangulo.
Student organizations are important because they help students develop leadership skills, confidence, and responsibility. From the interview, it is clear that leaders face challenges such as members not cooperating, difficulty balancing schoolwork and leadership tasks, and limited funds. These problems make it harder for the leaders to do their work well and for the organization to succeed. So this proposal suggests ways to support student leaders and improve member participation by teaching teamwork, time management, task sharing, and simple financial planning. Leaders can focus on organizing activities and making a positive impact in their schools. Strengthening youth leadership will not only help leaders grow, but also make student organization more active, successful, and meaningful for everyone in the campus and community.